have something that is very important for you guys to hear. The EPA is doing everything they can to destroy the trucking industry. 99% of all things that you consume, all things that you have, from alphabet soup to zippers for your pants, everything is delivered by truck. Stuff comes over on a ship, it's picked up by a truck, it's delivered to the stores. We truckers deliver everything. If the EPA gets their way, they are going to go to war. Well, they already have gone to war against diesel fuel and trucks. They want to make us all electric by 2042. That is just not sustainable. It's not practical. It's not going to work. It's just something that is absolutely ridiculous, all in the name of a lie. Climate change is a lie. It is a misconception. It is a falsehood. I heard one of them say that carbon emissions are a pollutant when they are concentrated in a tight area. But if you're going down the road at 65 miles an hour, the emissions coming out of your truck not only are spread vertically but horizontally. So they are not concentrated in one area. You guys, pull it together. Get yourself about 2 weeks worth of food, and then don't go to the store for 2 weeks and see what happens. Because the stores are going to freak out. Everything is delivered by trucks, and the truckers all of a sudden decide we're not coming. I personally feel like that all of the truckers who are in California should just leave. Every one of them. And nobody deliver anything to anybody in California. California wants to do away with diesel trucks? Fine. Every diesel truck out of California today. Let's see how California gets along when no diesel trucks are making deliveries, no diesel trucks are coming to the stores, no stores are getting their supplies, all in the name of the Environmental Protection Agency and big government that wants to turn us back into 1820s when we were delivering everything by horseback. Government sucks. The government is stupid. The government doesn't have a freaking clue and needs to stay the hell out of our trucks and stay the hell out of our business because they don't know what they're talking about, they don't have the facts to back it up, and they're just making regulations so that Democrat-supported companies can get filthy rich on this climate change agenda. It has nothing to do with saving the planet. It has everything to do with controlling you as an individual and not giving you your freedom. Fight against the EPA.